What's up guys? Today's just a quick video review tutorial on the RavPower File Hub Plus wireless travel router, wireless SD card reader, external hard drive reader. This thing is pretty amazing. I can't live without it. If you're running out of room on your iPad and you want to hook up your external hard drive to it, this allows you to do it wirelessly. Let's check it out now. As you can see, it's nice and small, fits in my hand. Comes with this wire to charge your battery, and the battery's pretty good, it lasts pretty long. On this side you have your WAN port and your USB port. This is where I plug my external hard drive into. On this side you have your SD card reader, so you can just pop your SD card into that. To turn it on, you just hold the button for 3 seconds and it'll power on. The blue flashing means it's loading and the green is you're ready to go. If you want to check your battery status, you just tap it once and it'll show you what you're at. Now I'm going to plug my external hard drive into this. You're going to download the File Hub Plus app. Once you got that downloaded, you go ahead and plug your hard drive into this part. Open that app up. It'll all load up. Go to your Wi-Fi. Once this app is in, it'll direct you on what to do and how to set up through your Wi-Fi. You go to your Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to the File Hub, and you're ready to go. You open your app up, go to your files and folders. Now this is my external hard drive, so I'm going to go into it and everything is here. So now I can transfer any file onto that hard drive from my iPad and vice versa. And it's pretty cool because let's go into a photos folder. You can share it, or you can just copy it over to a folder, or if you click more, you can actually move it over to the folder. And this is cool because in the end, it'll prompt you to delete it from your iPad, so you don't have to do two things. You could just do it right from there. It works great. I have no complaints about it. I'm able to store tons of things from music files, video files, artwork onto my external and free up my iPad space. So I do recommend this. I think it's about 40 bucks. So it's not that expensive. It's well worth having. I'll put the link down below in the description so you could check it out. It's great for traveling. It's small. You throw it in your bag and go. So yeah, check it out. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe. Check out WeSampleEverything.com for more tutorials, beats, sample packs, and our producer forum. Peace.